I think on the whole, this IRES program by the NSF is a wonderful and excellent program that actually exposes the American students to researchers from around the world and allows them to do science in a different country, in a different context.
I realized that scientific communication is a huge part of all scientists' everyday lives, because if we're doing science for the people, then people need to be able to understand what we're doing, otherwise the point is lost.
My job as a communication student going with the other student researchers is to help guide them in better ways to communicate their research to the general public, to other experts, to experts in other fields, to use social media and to be able to get media assets like videos and photos, to be able to use those different types of tools to communicate their research where people are. People are on these social media platforms, and people are looking at these social media platforms, both members of the general public and members of these different professional communities.
Yeah, try shutting it. Just not that bag.
Mr. An Tan, Miss Jane Lodge, Mr. David Daniels.
For my research, I haven't done nearly any kind of social media in terms of Twitter or Instagram or anything like that. It's mainly presentations at national conferences, make a poster, maybe present it at the Graduate Research Symposium. So it's very local to people who have that same knowledge base and could understand the jargon and all the words that you're using.
In my research so far, most of my communication has been limited to papers and presentations. Papers throughout undergrad, working as lab reports basically.
Professionally, I haven't really developed any kind of social media tools for myself yet.
I used Instagram a bit and Tumblr.
I use social media personally. I have a Facebook to keep up with my friends, my family. I have Twitter, I have Instagram, I have Snapchat.
I see enormous value in using social media like Twitter for scientific communication. It really helps to disseminate new ideas, new findings to a large audiences in a very short, succinct format. This is vital because we're having so much information to deal with, and it's good to use social media to steer audiences to specific types of information that they can gather for themselves.
These hands-on opportunities to be able to take something that really matters to you, research that you're actually working on, and communicate that to people that it could affect in the future, I think really hits close to home, and it really shows people why science communication is crucial.
It's not possible for one individual to be able to keep up with the pace. But when you have collaborators from another discipline, you automatically get access to a different perspective from another discipline.
I think that this is an excellent program for our students to build friendship and relationship with each other. And sometimes this relationship can help towards their career or decision in building up a community network.
Despite being in different parts of the world, the nature of science and the sort of challenges we have are so similar. To know that, if I'm stuck at a problem, that I'm not alone, that this is something that every scientist, no matter where they are on the globe, is also going to encounter. For me, that's a great leveling ground, and it also gives a strong sense of community.
To do that, the whole social media side of things puts a whole new spin on science communication.
And it kind of motivates you a little bit to just keep going. And it's nice to be able to share what you're doing and hopefully contributing to people.
People just want to know why you're doing what you're doing. So if you can get that across efficiently yet concisely, then people are usually on board.
It's a way to get ideas out there. Maybe I need to start searching for things on, Twitter, on Facebook for ideas when I'm stuck.
And I think it's really important to have that community of people and programs that are all trying to attain the same overarching goal of just communicating to the general public that this stuff's important.
It's important for people to interact with multiple disciplines, multiple points of view, and I think scientists are a truly global species.